Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the another video. Today I did a Q&A video, and in that video there were so many comments regarding the battery draining on the iOS 26.2. So in this video we are going to fix the battery draining, and I'm going to share how you can do that. First of all, I want to share the battery life, that how my battery life is going on, so you guys can have idea about that. So if I go into the battery section and let us battery stats load, go to the battery usage and share the yesterday stats. As you can see, I use around 83%, and for the 83%, I got 7 hour and 45 minutes screen on time. Now during this time, I use applications like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat for a bit, and messages and all that. And you can see for this person, this is a really good screen on time. So if you guys want to enjoy this much good screen on time on the 26.2 or any other iOS version, just follow the things that I'm gonna talk in this video. So let's begin the video and let's talk about how you can get a really good battery life. Now, first of all, the very first tip is to follow 20-80 rule. Now, what is 20-80 rule? Whenever your battery is around 20%, put your device on charging, and whenever it is around 80%, unplug the charger. Follow this 20-80 rule. It will enhance the battery life of your device. The second tip is even simple. Try to use good chargers. Don't go for the cheap chargers. Like you are buying a very expensive device and using a cheap charger, that doesn't make sense, and that can ruin the battery life of your device. So if you have an iPhone, like it's a very expensive device, use good charger. Now third tip, I'm gonna share some settings that you can do. First of all, get into your settings and go to the notifications. Now customize your notification. Now notification is something, if like every other notification is on, it will definitely gonna consume a lot of battery life, because whenever there is a new notification, there are a lot of background processes going on. Internet is being used, media is being used, RAM is being used, and that everything consumes a lot of battery life to give you a notification. So customize notification. Now, what is meant by that? If there is any app that is not important, just turn off the notification. For example, my this app notification is off, notification is off, notification is off, notification is off. As you can see, most of the apps, the notifications are off, which means if the app is not that important, notifications will be off. But if the app is important, for example, messaging app, like they're over here, messaging app, or maybe any WhatsApp or something like that, for such applications, notifications are on. But for the apps that are not that important, notifications are off. This is going to help a lot to get a good battery life, and it would also going to help a lot to stop the battery draining. Now once you do that, go back from here and get into sound and haptics. Once you are into sound and haptics, go all the way down and get to the system haptics. Now there are three settings. Turn off the system haptics, go over here and turn off the keyboard haptic too. It is also going to help you a lot to get a good battery life. Now go back from here and now get into your privacy and security. Now once you are into privacy and security, you will see location services. Now get into the location services and customize the location services. Now if there is any app that location is not important, just choose never option. As you can see, never. And if there is any app for the location is important, just use while using the app. Never use always option. There is another option that is known as always. I'm gonna show, maybe, I'm not sure where it is gonna be. Maybe in Facebook, yes. There is an always option. Never use this option. Use never or use while using the app. These are the best possible options available, and by doing this, you're gonna improve the battery life a lot. Go all the way down into the system services. Go all the way down into the product improvement. By default, these settings are on. Just turn them off, and you're gonna get a much better battery life. Now from here, go over here all the way to the motion and fitness. By default, fitness tracking is on, and it is tracking your steps and all that. If that is not important for you, if you don't are if you're not interested in tracking steps and all that, just turn it off, and it is gonna be a big help for your device. Because when it is turned on, it is continuously running that sensor in the background, and that consumes battery life. So turn this off too. And from here, go all the way down over here into the journaling suggestions. If you don't use journaling suggestions, just turn them off. Turn off all from here. These also consume a lot of battery life because they are working in the background, so turn them off. So these are some of the settings that you can do. Definitely there are more settings you can do. I have done a lot of videos. You can go to my channel, check out those videos. But by following these stuff, you are able to get a much better battery life, much improved battery life, and you're gonna enjoy a lot. If you're still facing any sort of issue, let me know in the comment section below. I will try to bring more videos, and we will talk about more stuff in upcoming video. And I'm gonna install iOS 26.3 beta 1 because you guys were requesting me that how is this a beta update, let us know. So I'm gonna install this. I'm gonna share the experience in upcoming videos. Well, this is all from this video. Hope to catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Peace out.